All right, violin, this is our training video for the Merry Blacksmith. Okay, this is an arrangement by Tom Morley in his new book, Learn to Play Traditional Irish Fiddle. Love this book. Encourage you to buy it. Love it. Okay, the Merry Blacksmith has two sharps, the key of D major, okay, and I'll take all the repeats. I'm going to be taking it kind of slow because we have these slurs, if you'll notice, in the middle of just about every measure, or at least quite a few, where we're slurring three there right in the middle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3.